In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite Analytics explained. If you are new to Hootsuite Analytics, the first thing you need to know is that it is designed to help you see how your social media content is performing. Instead of guessing whether your posts are working, you can review clear reporting and track results over time. To get started, we will open the Analytics section from the main navigation menu. Now look at the left side of your Hootsuite dashboard. You will see a vertical menu with different icons and labels. Your goal in this step is to find the Analytics option, which is shown with a bar graph icon. This icon is a quick visual cue that you are entering the reporting and performance area. When you locate it, you will click Analytics. Take a moment to click the Analytics link or button in the left menu. As you do this, pay attention to what happens on your screen. In most layouts, the main area will change to show Analytics content, such as reports, charts, or performance summaries. This is how you know you have successfully moved from your regular dashboard views into the Analytics view. If nothing changes, double-check that you clicked the bar graph icon labeled Analytics rather than another tool in the left menu. Once the Analytics section opens, you will typically see an overview of social performance data. At this point, it is a good idea to pause and let the page fully load. Analytics pages often display charts and figures that require a little time to render, especially if you are pulling data across multiple networks or time periods. A fully loaded page makes it much easier to understand what you are seeing. You may also notice that the Analytics screen is organized so you can explore different kinds of reporting. Even though our instruction for today is simply to open Analytics, opening it correctly is important because it sets the foundation for everything you will check next, such as engagement, reach, or the outcomes of your posts. If you start in the correct place, the rest of your workflow becomes smoother. If you are following along at the same pace as this video, you should now be looking directly at the Analytics area. Take a moment to scan the top portion of the page or the sections that appear within the main panel. You are not required to change any settings yet. Instead, just confirm that you are in the Analytics view and that the information shown matches what you would expect from reporting. This quick confirmation helps prevent confusion later, especially if you navigate back and forth between sections. After you have opened Analytics and verified that the page has loaded properly, you are ready to continue exploring Hootsuite Analytics explained. The key action in this step is simply accessing the Analytics menu using the bar graph icon in the left navigation. Once that is done, the rest of the Analytics features become available for you to use. That includes the ability to review performance details and understand which content is having the biggest impact. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know for opening Hootsuite Analytics explained.